Hey guys, welcome back to the Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today, we're in Dickinson, North Dakota for the Frosty, North Dakota truck meet, okay? We're out at Lake Patterson. It's a beautiful day. Sun is shining. It's pretty hot. We got some nice trucks out here. What are we here for, Clay?
I just wanted to put a meet on so that North Dakota doesn't really have very much going on with the truck scene. So wanted to put this together so we could come out here, bring our trucks out, clean them up, get to know each other a little bit more rather than just talking over the internet, have a chill weekend, have some drinks, eat.
We've got about 40 trucks here, it looks like.
Somewhere in there.
Today we're going to have the kids. They are going to judge the truck show. They're going to judge the truck show. First place gets $300, second place gets $200, third place gets $100. That's all sponsored by Blessed Performance. We want to help support Clay. And he's got a pretty good truck scene going on in North Dakota for a small state. There's a lot of badass trucks here, so we're gonna go check them out, okay?
There's a lot. I mean, it all depends on you.
Hanging out, drinking some beers, barbecuing. Have some good food, about to play some cornhole.
Okay, kids.
Okay, hang on.
We're gonna start.
With the rims. You get in one part, that's fine.
And they're nice rims.
Yeah, well, they just go ahead and trip while you're building. Yeah, so for rims, we forgot. The wheels were 4. Hang on. I want to start with body on this one. It's 10. Same. Oh. That's nice. Kid, did you see this?
The exhaust.
I don't know what they're called.
Go ahead, take your time.
So there's bugs everywhere for stakes. I'm immediately at 10 because there's a Blessed Performance sticker, obviously. Okay, that's gonna add up a lot. That's a 10.
Just keep going. 8.
It's a nice silver color. Don't zoom in on my face. Okay, so it's a nice black. It's dirty. Well, actually no, it's not. Well, it is. But it has a good spark. Okay, what are we ready to go again, Keith? Come over here. It's a green engine. It's a green engine. Engine is a 9.
So like in total, like 19?
Yeah, 19. 150.
17.
17. Okay, rounding it to 17.
Okay. This
Yeah.
is, yeah.
All right, so our winner, we don't announce it.
Don't
Oh.
announce it until
Yeah,
your
let's go.
dad has to announce it on the thing.
Oh, okay. All right, guys. Okay, I got it now.
The winner, keep gonna.
Oh, that's me.
You ready, Jonathan?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're back here at Dixon, North Dakota at Lake Patterson. We are giving away some cash today, okay? We got first, second, and third for the winners here. Keith, Darren, Manny, Lily, and I think a couple of these other kids over here might have had an influence. I don't know. Needless to say, they judged all the trucks and their opinion. And Keith is going to announce the winners.
Gotta say it loud enough.
Huh?
Say it loud enough.
Okay, third place, Awesome 79 F-150 Ranger.
So whoever owns this right here wins third place.
Oh, that's
Oh, that's him right here.
yeah.
There you go, buddy.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks for coming out.
Second, beautiful 5th gen Ram Tony owns.
Oh gosh, that guy named Tony owns it.
I don't know. That guy don't
Go,
need the
buddy.
money.
First place, you ready?
Are you ready for first place? Everybody ready?
First place.
No, is everybody ready? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay,
Yeah, we're waiting.
the winner, Orange Farm Truck 6772.
Oh, that
Chevy
LB7.
single cab
Yeah.
with
That
pump out.
LB7, guys, it won.
Should be.
That is bad to the bone, buddy.
Thank you.
Fuck yeah.
Thank you.
$300
Hell
cash.
yeah.
Thanks, man.
It's 67 to 72. Come on. It's like the dream truck right there. Good job, guys.
Yeah.
Good job announcing the winners, buddy.
Hell yeah.
Everybody, thanks for coming out. I know that it's a small show, and we plan to keep it very, very chill.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
you know, 701 Performance wants to come out. Like, we're just not going to have any vendor booths. Clay and I have talked about it. There's no vendors. It's just trucks, beer, cornhole, food, and that's it. A lot of the other ones can get kind of political when it comes to the vendors and who's going to go and who's going to come and all that crap. We want to keep it small. Hopefully we can have 100 trucks in here next year.
I hope so.
We got like 50.
Oh,
We got like
absolutely.
50 of them here this year. That's pretty freaking good for the first year, guys.
For the first year.
All of the people that came, trust me, we appreciate it. We appreciate you guys coming out. There was a lot of really good trucks, and it's very
There's a
hard to
lot of
pick.
good guys out here, that's
But,
for
like,
sure.
We play rock, paper, scissors for the winners, okay? Like, that's what it boiled down to here. Because
Right.
these guys have a badass LML over here.
Yeah.
That, I think it's an LBZ over there, that black one. That's LLY right here. I mean, there's a lot of gorgeous trucks here. And every year the kids are going to pick.
Yeah.
That's going to be the rule. That's like the #1 rule of this show is kids choose the winners.
Absolutely.
Just need a little more shine. She's.
I'll never break your heart. I'll never make you cry. I'd rather die than live without you. Do 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 do.